Akong i-describe among cafe na ay relaxing nga ambience, nga nagit siya sentro sa cacao farm.
In a quiet stretch of Bakahan, just 4 kilometers before reaching the heart of Midsalip, Zamboanga del Sur, a new kind of gathering place has taken root. This is Chocowate Cacao Farm and Cafe, where every sip of sekwate carries a story of hard work, perseverance, and a vision born from the spirit of cooperation.
Ako di ay si Rocher Peñinal Samonte, 28 years of age. I'm a product of a coconut cacao farmer and a vendor. Nako'y husband, si Josiah Kim Samonte, na may duha ka anak. Then, graduate ko as a Bachelor of Science in Management Accounting.
For Rocher, Chocowate is more than just livelihood. It's a living tribute to her family's perseverance, one that carries her parents' legacy forward through bold innovation.
Ako si Ruben Piñonal, taga Midsalip, Bakahan, Zamboanga del Sur. Membro ko sa Mipangko.
Ako si Aniseta Ricablanca Piñonal, taga Barili, Cebu.
Decades ago, Rocher's parents, Ruben and Sita Peñonal, began as humble vendors, running a school canteen, then a halo-halo business, a karinderya, all while tending to their farms with crops like cassava, banana, coconut, and eventually cacao. What kept them going was the spirit of cooperation, embodied through their membership with Mifamco, the Midsalip Farmers Multipurpose Cooperative. In November 2022, Ruben became part of Co-op Propel, a project jointly carried out by Mifamco and its federation MASPEC. The initiative aimed to help cacao farmers like him boost their production, improve marketing practices, and earn better from their crops. When Project Area Coordinator Jerry Fongtong saw Ruben's well-maintained cacao trees thriving under coconuts, he knew it was a model worth sharing.
Kuyog ako, ang co-op nag-set me og criteria unsaon siya nga maka-identify kinsa gitong farmer nga angayan nga mahimo namong farmer learning sites. So, mas importante nga active siya sa member sa clusters. Nakita ni si Sir Ruben Piñonal kay kato nga mga criteria o traits sa mag-uuma naaman sa iya.
Thus, Ruben's farm became the co-op's learning site. Notably, Ruben's cacao yields improved with the technical guidance provided by Teresa Balives, the project's hired value chain field facilitator.
Ang mindset bitaw open siya. Unsay akong inatudlo niya, iyag yun na siyang i-adapt.
Kana pong training center. Kami tinamo na sa seminar na mo sa cluster. Ang makinada nga paggaling sa kuwan. Rider, gamit yun kaya ang kuwan na ito iabuno man.
As Ruben's cacao quality improved, Rocher saw potential beyond the beans.
Kung papa isip usa ka farmer, dili siya ka-afford o palit og mga equipment sa iyang cacao processing. So sa time atong gi-release na ang mga gipanghatag nga equipment una sa gamit sa cacao nga farming kanang pag-grind sa cacao pod. So sa una ang cacao pod ginalabay ra jud na namo. Pero paghatag ato nga equipment, dito na widen ang knowledge ni papa nga pwede siya i-grind o pwede siya i-fertilize. And then, human ana is ang fermentation box. So, gamay ra kay mig fermentation box sa una, dili makiter tanang liso. Karon, daghan na additionalan. Kay hatagan mi sa kanang Co-op Propel project of fermentation, more fermentation boxes.
In July 2024, Rocher got the well-deserved break for her Chocowate drinks at the wedding reception of the Midsalip's mayor's child, a milestone that would change everything.
Pwede di ay ni ma-ice ang sikwate. Nami lagi ni. Ana. So nag-design mi sa kumbana para mapusna ning cart nga gigamit nato sa kasal, ibutang nato ni dito sa karinderya ni mama, dito ta mag-display. Dugay na sa mong idea gid sa family na magtukod jud mi og kanang separate ba siya nga kananan nga komportable pud ba ang mga on. Dayon niabot ang panahon nga si papa gisugdan gyud niya dire. Nihangi ko niya nga pwede ako lay mo design.
By May 2025, the dream took form. A cafe built right on their cacao farm in Bakahan. With her savings, family support, and Mifamco's guidance, Rocher turned her vision into reality. Despite its distance from the town center, people came for the hot and icy kwate, the warmth of the place and the story behind it.
Nalipay kaayo ko kay ang business akong mamag papa nag-start sa gamay lang. Then karon dili man siya ingon dako, pero nagamit na mo ba ang gihaguan sa akong papa. Akong message lang no sa mga anak sa mag-uma, dili nila i-underestimate kung sa gitanom sa ilang ginikanan. Ang hunahuna sa mga batanon, ang farming hugaw. Pero na may mga bagong techniques kay farming, mo provide sa atwa og food sa atong table. So, ang ila lang is pag-study.
Roger now dreams of expanding Chocowate Cafe and their cacao farm. She also envisions establishing a reliable supply of premium cacao beans to sustain her growing business. Now more than ever, Roger wants to inspire more children of farmers to see agriculture as a path to abundance, not poverty. This is the story of Chocowate Cacao Farm and Cafe, brewed from the soil of Midsalit, steered by love, and shared one sip at a time.